Can we go back to last summer when the air was sweet, promises we keep? Can we go back to last summer where I felt at ease with the ground beneath my feet? Whoa, when I was a young boy, I'd listened to the beat of my own heart underneath the sunset, like a magnet, collecting fragments. Pull me back.
The National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a tornado warning for Fort Worth, Texas. At around 6:18 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a tornado touched down Fort Worth heading to downtown Fort Worth and Arlington. Seek shelter and basement. Go to nearest room building. If you don't have shelter or basement, go to room as possible. A tornado's warning for Fort Worth, Arlington, and Grand Prairie.
This is KXAS Live downtown Fort Worth. We have tornado hit in Fort Worth, Texas, so do not drive in downtown. The downtown will remain closed until rebuilt. Dave, what is going on in building damage?
We are in Cache America International next to Calvary Cathedral International. The building got destroyed, so they gonna replace the building, not old one, the new one. Bank 1 building, 80% window were gone. And Arlington 5 house got destroyed by another twister. 4 people death, 48 got injured. Let's get back Paul.
Thanks, Dave. The building will replace this building. This is Channel 5 serving Dallas, Fort Worth, Texas.
Oh wow, Mike, look, a building. The Cache America building is good than the old one.
Yeah, the new Cache America International is new building. I better like this, like last year when tornado hit, and new one are making. Can we go back home?
Yes.
Okay.
Oh, well,